After researching and trying out more than a dozen laser toner printers, our owner chose the OKI 332 to exclusively support and service. We think it's awesome for crafters, and we hope you will too. Oh, and you can also use it as an office printer. Your laser toner printer is actually two printers in one. The lower tray will be used for your home office paper, and the middle multi-purpose tray will be used for your craft transfer paper, which you will load watermarks down. When you open the printer, you will see a lot of orange plastic stuff inside. Make sure you take it all out, particularly the hard plastic tab in the back, or your printer will not work and you will not be happy with us. Like most new printers, yours will come with a set of starter toners, which are 1/3 full. When you begin to run out, your printer will alert you and you can reach out to us to order more. Your toner cartridges are in a carrier, and when you take this carrier out, please put it on a clear, flat surface because it has delicate rollers underneath and you don't want to get anything embedded on those rollers. The USB cable and power cord are in the back, and the on and off switch is in the front left corner.
You can hear her powering up and she's going to be ready to go.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the little bell button so you'll be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks, everyone.